Good morning, everyone. I want to teach the beginners who want to learn the English. This is only for beginners from day 1 to 40 days. I want to give you the course to learn the English because English is very essential to this generation to survive the life. Wherever you go, English is must. If you want to educate yourself, if you want to go to interviews, if you want to take admission for your child, it is very essential today's generation and very crucial. You have to learn, you have to must. If you know the English, you will get the respect. If you know the English, you can able to take the admission for your child. If you know the English, you can travel wherever the world. In the world, as per the some of the surveys, we know that 7,000 plus languages are there. We cannot able to learn the 7,000 plus languages. Our life is not enough to learn the 7,000 plus languages. So that is the reason English is became the worldwide universal language. That one language you can travel anywhere, you can survive the world, everywhere in the world. On the planet, if you know the English, it is enough to live. So English is so much of importance. So everybody want to learn the English, but they don't keep their efforts properly. My only request is you can follow me and you can practice, and you can learn and you can implement. That is the best solution to speak English better. So today, just we will go just awareness of the English. What is English? How many words are there in English? And how we learn, how we have to learn easily. So in English, around 10 lakh words are there generally, total English words. But 10 lakhs we will not use. 5 lakh words are using presently. In 5 lakh words, all over the world, they are using, everybody is using for book printing and for speaking and various reasons in various areas. But this all 5 lakh English words also not completely English. Half of the words only complete English, and half of the words 2,50,000 words are collected from various regions and various languages and became a part in English. That is the reason English is the universal language. So we have to learn the English. It is enough in the universe. So in this 2,50,000 words, we no need to learn 2,50,000 words. If you know the 3,000 English words, you became the fluent in English and you can able to teach the English also. If you know the 1,000 words of English, you can be good enough to speak the English wherever you can go. Individually, you can go wherever you want to travel. That is enough. So, in English, if you want to learn English, what is most important? How you will learn. That is most important. Grammar is the very crucial play in English learning. Why should we learn the grammar? If I want to speak Telugu, I don't know grammar just like Sandulu Samasalu. If you want to speak Hindi, many will speak Hindi, but they don't know the grammar of Hindi. But why grammar is required in English? In English, grammar is required because you are living in such a place where around your circle is not English speakers. Mother tongue is not English. Our mother tongue is different from English. That is the reason we want to learn the English to go other countries to wherever you want to travel. So why grammar in English is if you want to learn some new language, if nobody is there around you of the mother tongue, in a proper way, how we want to go, a path, a way we require na, that is a grammar in English. If you are living in America or if you are living in UK, you don't need grammar. You just speak English naturally, automatically. But if you are living here in Telugu state or in India, you must learn grammar to self-learning, to build a confidence, to give a proper expressions. When you are having the confidence, you can able to give the proper expression. That is must. And moreover, if you know the grammar, you can arrange the words in such a way to give a sense. Means we know the meaning of the words, but we don't know how to arrange the words. Grammatical errors. Because our mother tongue is not English. So we know the meaning, we know the words of English, but we cannot able to arrange the words in such a way because we don't aware of the grammar in English. So grammar is most important. We have to learn the grammar, and nouns and pronouns are the most crucial place in grammar. And what is English? English is just a language, just like what we are speaking in mother tongue or other languages. Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bhojpuri, Marathi. Just like that, English is a language. But why we are unable to speak English? Hindi so many can learn. Telugu so many can speak. Kannada so many can speak. But why we are afraid to speak English? Because English is the respectable language and it is all over the world, global language. So when you don't know the global language, you will feel ashamed in yourself inside, directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. If you feel that I am unable to speak English, it is a global language, you are unable to learn. You should not feel ashamed. You should just accept if you don't know, and you can go directly. I want to learn. It is a must. I will learn. Just like you can go, you can learn. And English is just a consist of 26 letters. Is it tough to learn? Very easy. This 26 letters we call alphabet. We should not speak alphabets because in Telugu we will say Aksharamala, Onamalu. It is singular. We should not speak plural. Aksharamala. Just like alphabet, not alphabets. So this all 26 letters we call alphabet. This alphabet having vowels and consonants. These vowels and consonants will together form a word and should give a sense. So we have to give that vowel and consonants priority and that importance. Both are very important to form a word. Both are having individual importance and it should make a sense to form a word. So we required English is just a language to communicate by the mouth through the words to form in a sentence. And second thing, we have to learn the grammar, nouns and pronouns, and we have to know how to arrange the words in a sentence form to give a good sense of meaning and importance of grammar. Because if you know the grammar, within less time we can able to learn the English and self-learning and proper expression in your face while you are delivering your words and confidence build up. These four are very important. This we learn today, and tomorrow we will go with another topic in English. Until then, bye bye. Stay tuned.